Hello guys, you are welcome even to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at GALA games, right? Remember, it's the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis, price predictions, and trades on your favorite coin. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? And as you can see, we are on the chart even for GALA versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame, and I want to show you why we probably might be in a very dangerous position even for GALA. And as you can see right here, we have the orange right here, as you can see, is what we call the 10 EMA, right? The blue right here is what we call the 20 EMA, and the red is what we call the 50 EMA. The yellow right here is what we call the 200 EMAs, right? So those help us determine a lot of levels on the chart, even for any cryptocurrencies. As you can see, we rallied right down right here, even on the beginning of the year, right exactly into the 200 EMA. We weren't able to hold it as support, and as you can see, we pushed to the downside, right? Came back, right, retested the 200 EMA exactly to the T, and we pushed to the downside. We came here again, pushed to the 200 EMA, and as you can see, pushed to the downside. So the 200 EMA is a very huge, right, indicator of a very large trend. So if we are still above, right, we can't still pop the champagne bottles that we could be going to the upside, right? We have seen price push above, right, the 10 EMA, push above the 200 EMA, and now as you can see, we are close to the 50 EMA, right? So we need to get above the 50 EMAs for us to at least be bullish, right? Because as we could still see here, price pushed above these two EMA, but we weren't able to get to the 50 EMA, right? And we pushed to the downside, right? And so currently, the 50 EMA could be another resistance for us, right? And we have to see price push over above even the 50 EMA, right? And so that we could see price come to struggle, right? Even for GALA here at the daily on the 200 EMA, right? So currently, as you can see, the 50 EMA is still acting as resistance, right? Also, if we look at our indicators, as you can see, very oversold on the stochastic. So we probably would want to see a cool down, and that's why I'm showing you that we probably are in a danger zone, right? So we probably want to see our price push, right, even in this sort of, right, a sideways level, right, so that we can get above the 50 EMAs. Currently on the stochastic, as you can see, we are very oversold, right? So we need to cool down. We need to see price push to the downside, right, or the stochastic push to the downside, and see price right here have some sort of sideways action. As you can see, same thing with our RSI. RSI is quite at the not very overbought, but it's quite at the bot extent, right? We could still go higher, but we are in very dangerous zones, and that is why, right, we don't want to be rejected by the 50 EMA. If not, that would be very bad even for GALA, right? If we shift over to lower time frames, such as the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see at the timing of the making of this video, as you can see, we are steadily pushing to the downside, and so that is what we want to expect on GALA, right? That GALA holds the 0.02500 level, so we could still see this, right, sideways action for the price of GALA. If we see that sideways action, that means we are very bullish on the price of GALA, and we probably could still expect higher price targets, right? So we are expecting this sideways price action. As you can see, we have gotten rejected right here, so we should still expect this push right down of about 7% to the 0.02500 level. So that is what we should be expecting on GALA, a push of about 7%, right, to this level, right, so that we could still see all our indicators, right, reset, and then we could still see further push to the upside. So that's the analysis on GALA for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.